Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, tonight we will discuss about our task last week. So, did you guys already read the text?
Yes, I'm already read the text.
Sorry guys, I cannot to open my camera because I have the problem with my connection.
Okay, Puspa, no problem.
So sorry.
Okay, we will start with the text. Who is want to read the text?
Okay, read the text and answer the following question individually. Write your answer in Word. Submit it before the class and don't forget to write your name. A change of heart. His Holiness of the Dalai Lama has said that all human beings seek happiness and freedom from suffering. However, what brings happiness and joy from my experience, what gives you the most pleasure varies a lot with the kind of person you are, but it also depends on the stage of life. Our concept of happiness goes through 5 stages of we mature. In the first stage of life, our happiness depends mostly on family needs. A child needs security and attachment to one or more adults to be happy. Babies get strongly into the eyes of their mother because that's what makes them happy. When children smile at their parents and their parents smile back, they feel safe and loved. Parents are there afterward. However, we don't remain babies. We grow into the next stage of life. The text will be read by Puspa.
Puspa, can you read the text, please?
Okay. In the first stage of life, our happiness depends mostly on family ties. A child needs security and attachment to one or more adults to be happy. Babies gaze adoringly into the eyes of their mothers because that's what makes them happy. When children smile at their parents and their parents smile back, they feel safe and loved. Parents are their entire world. However, we don't remain babies. We grow into the next stage of life. As children become teenagers, they often try to distance themselves from the family that previously was their entire universe. In Western cultures, parents almost expect their teenager to be rebellious. Nevertheless, in all cultures, teenagers seek other people their own age outside their families, and they find their happiness primarily in socializing with their friends. In the next stage, adulthood, our concept of happiness changes again. At this stage, most people seek attachment to one special person. This expectation and desire to find happiness in a romantic attachment is so strong in some cultures that people feel unhappy if they don't find it. In other cultures, mutual respect between marriage partners is more highly valued and romantic love, but the attachment between the two people is just as strong. As they enter a later stage of adulthood, many people begin to expand their views. They move from only seeking happiness from a two-person relationship to seeking fulfillment from achievement and social relation. Their circle grows wider, including long-term friends as well as an extended family, and many people focus intensely on achieving career goals. Because most people are also financial better of this stage. Many begin to travel and they find a lot of satisfaction in meeting and forming relationship with people from other cultures. Okay, the next. Okay, Ika.
Okay. Finally, in the last stage of life, we mature into all adults, and the idea of what brings you happiness often changes again. At this stage, many people begin to realize the position and money didn't really bring lasting happiness. They seek happiness in self-exclusion through helping others, through in conclusion, the baby looks for happiness in the intimate contact with loving parents. But teenagers seek to break the bond which held them so tight. While you adults look for happiness through a perfect match, older adults often seek enjoyment in recognition of their achievement or in the friend, and mature adults tend to look for personal spiritual satisfaction. As we live through the stage of life, we change and change a touch. Never easy is the speech of life.
Okay, I will try to answer number 1 until 5. Number 1, what is it explained in the text? We answer is the text is about human life, also about happiness. There are many stages of life from infancy to old age. We can see this answer uh, according to paragraph 1 in conclude that uh, this expectation and desire to find happiness in a romantic attachment so is a strong in some cultures that people feel unhappy if they don't find it. And in conclusion, the baby looks for happiness in the intimate contact with loving parents, but teenagers seek to break the bonds which held them so tight, while young adults look for happiness through a perfect mate. Older adults often seek enjoyment in recognition of their achievement or in friends, and mature adults tend to look for personal spiritual satisfaction. As we live through the stage of life, we change out of never easy is the speed of life. Number 2, what is the general statement about the stage of human life? The answer is everyone seeks happiness and freedom through life. Humans have several stages of life, most of which are family ties. The point is, when we go through the stage of life, we change and there are change. Although it is never easy, everything is the spice of life. We can find this answer according to paragraph 1 in the last sentence. In here and in here. Next, number 3. Uh, what are the specific sequences of human being life stage? The answer is stage of human life start from children who needs parents, teenagers who are looking for a identity, adulthood, and the final stage is old age. The answer is of number three. Uh, according to paragraph one. Sorry. And the text is about explanation text. Number four, what do you think of the purpose of this text? The purpose of the text above is to tell us that in life there are several stages that must be passed. Everything is complete with happiness and suffering. We must live with the stage that have been arranged as it should be, and seek happiness for a good life. Next, number five. Who do you think the audience of the text? The audience are high school students, college students, seminar, and participants.
Okay, I want to answer the question. Six, do you find a technical vocabulary item in the text? If yes, what they are and what are the meanings? Yes. Keywords adrology is usually used to describe the baby girls which mean full of love, and also the word rebellious that often used to describe teenagers which mean likes to break the laws. Seven, where do you find text can of text? The text is explanation text. Eight, what is the synonym of the word adroitly? I found a lot of synonym that is affectionate. Nine, what is the synonym of the word rebellious? Same as uprising. And 10, break down the text into its generic structure. General statement, paragraph 1, explaining statement, paragraph 2 to and 6, and concluding statement, paragraph 7.
Puspa, is your turn to read. You wanna try the part two?
Okay. Part 2. Sketch each of these statements. If true or false according to the passage, give reason. And the question number 1. In this first stage of life, people's happiness relies on ourselves and our own securities. And the answer is false, because people's happiness depends mostly on family ties. And number 2, when children become adult, they usually grow apart from their family. And the answer is true. Number 3, building social relationship with friends is what makes teenagers happy. And the answer is true. And the fourth, in adulthood stage, the relationship to one day to other is what the people are searching for. And the answer is true. Number 5, as the people get older, their circle becomes smaller. The answer is false, because their circle grows wider, including long-term friends as well as extended family, and many people focus intensely on achieving career goals. And number 6, in the last stage of life, people begin to helping others instead of thinking about their well. The answer is true. And the last, number 7, spirituality is what matters for people in the later stage. The answer is true. Okay. Thank you for Ika. Thank you.
Okay, I think that's enough for our discussion. Uh,
Thank you for the attention, guys. And kita
and see you in our next discussion. So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.